Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your own sound to Coverstar. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Coverstar app. Now if you click here on the plus icon and you try to click here on add sound, you'll actually notice that you cannot add your own custom sound. You have to use any of these sounds. So what you need to do is just click on the plus icon and you will need to go ahead and add the video from your gallery. So you go ahead and record your video elsewhere externally and use an external editor, for example CapCut, to go ahead and combine your custom sound and video, and then come to the gallery, allow access, and then I want you to go ahead and use that right here. Just choose the video that you want to upload, and then all you need to do is click here on done. So let's say it's this video, click here on done. And then you just begin to edit that. Just click here on next and then make your edits, and then you can finally upload it. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.